Where are we going, Chels?
We're going on a hike. We've gone 0.05 miles. Feel tired and, well, pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, pretty good.
Just pretty good.
Very. We've gone 0.02 miles. This is the longest hike ever. We have gone 0.16 miles, which isn't even a mile. Quite a few miles, just so you know. Trumpet. We have just conquered a very long hike. We hiked all the way from Provo down there where all the little cities are, and we have hiked to Mount Crumpet.